I don't buy tomato sauce at the market anymore, now I just do it like this. Natural and easy to make. Let's go! We will need 3.3 pounds of ripe tomatoes. Cut into pieces. I'm curious to know what country is watching me from. For me to thank you for following our recipes. Place half of the tomatoes in a blender. And add 10 ml of water. Beat well until smooth. If you like practical recipes for your daily life like this one, leave a like, which is very important, and share this recipe. Now let's add the rest of the tomatoes. Do it this way to not force your blender so much. Beat again. This homemade tomato sauce is so easy to make, you'll want to make it every time. Reserve. In the pan, add a drizzle of olive oil. 1 onion, chopped, and let it brown. 2 minced garlic cloves. Add the mixture we reserve and mix well. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground pepper, and mix again. Cover the pan and let it cook for 25 minutes. Uncover the pan from time to time and stir the sauce so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. I want to give a shout out to Najira Muhammad from Australia. She is always following our recipes. Thank you very much. And this is the sweet spot of our tomato sauce. It has a thicker texture. Our homemade tomato sauce is ready. Look how delicious. Add to a washed and sanitized glass jar. You can store in the freezer for up to 3 months. Healthy, no preservatives, and delicious. Thank you for your company so far. God bless you. Until our next recipe. Bye-bye.